me why Tyler, the Creator, did this to me today.
I'll whoop your ass.
Alright, so first off, I'm Rob Level. Thanks for watching, but let's talk about this. I was just driving in LA around Sunset and La Brea. I saw this little pearl car zoom down the street. Now, it sounded good, right? But at the same time, it looked like this old ass car, okay? Now I know it saw me, okay? Since my car is douchebag neon green, it's pretty hard to miss, and my car's very loud, right? And this is great. And I could just feel that little pearl white car was trying to race me. Most cars try to race me. I don't know why they think they're gonna win, because I have a V10 720 horsepower Audi R8.
Okay.
But yeah, so there was these 3 lanes, all right? I was in the far left lane, all right? And this car got into the far right lane, all right? Yes, and you're not even really supposed to get into that lane, okay? Mostly because, you know, it's during rush hour and it's always filled with cars and the meters are over there. Suddenly, the car got over so that he can make sure that I saw him, right? Now he was about 2 cars behind me. So I slowed down to tell him, because I thought the car looked dope. I'm talking about this car was like 15, 20 years old, right? I slowed down to tell him, this car looks really clean, like dope car, right? And it sounded really good. I slowed down to say, hey man, that's super clean. And as I said it, I suddenly realized, I was like, yo, that's Tyler, the Creator.
What?
And he said in his deep voice, I was like, hey, you're Tyler, the Creator? He went, yeah. I don't know how to do his voice. Yeah, I guess they say, yeah.
That was amazing.
I don't know how to really do it, right? But yeah, the way he said it was like, I know, yeah. That's Tyler, the Creator, yeah. Something like that. But yeah, so then sitting there, I'm like I had to keep driving forward because there were no other cars in front of me. So I had this half stunned, half impressed look on my face as I'm staring at him without losing eye contact as I pulled forward. I'm so business minded that this is the next funny thing that happened to me as I drove away. Out loud to myself, I said, and yes, I talk to myself out loud, and I do it very often, okay? You should see what I say between the takes of these videos, okay? First I said, that was Tyler, the Creator.
Your girlfriend looked like my mom.
I don't know why I said that, but I did. Second thing I said is, that car was so on brand for him. I was like, he's really like he is in his music, right? And I instantly had a touch more respect for him because I thought about how he could be driving any exotic car he wanted with the amount of money that he has. And I thought about, why isn't it? Like, I would never drive the car that he was driving. I'm an exotic car guy. I like Lamborghinis, I like my R8, I'm gonna get an Aventador. But he was in like an 89 pearl white Volkswagen coupe that had a great sounding exhaust. It sounded like it was turboed, okay? And that weird looking old and souped up car, it was so Tyler, the Creator. It was so on brand, but he knew, you know what I'm saying? But either way, he knew he didn't want any smoke with my 720 horsepower V10. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me, Tyler. You know what I'm saying? No, this is cool, because I'm not like a huge fan of him or anything, but I have a ton of respect for him. And he has a lot of good albums.
Come on.
So, you know what I'm saying? So, like, it's the cool thing about LA is you'll come across people. So anyway, yeah, that was my Tyler, the Creator encounter. I can't believe he thought he was gonna race me. But hey, man, you hit me up though, bro. We can race. Let's get it.
Okay.
I'm Rob Level. Just wanted to share that experience with you guys. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up? Cut and case the cuffs. Am I better now or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, burn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy.